Hi, I'm David Harris, Managing Director of Athenry Electrical. We're here at Winstone Aggregates at Huapai Quarry, where we've been providing electrical maintenance, installation, service, breakdown support for the last 20 plus years. We've developed processes to assist with their maintenance procedures, and over the years we've reduced their plant downtime quite significantly. As well as preventative maintenance, we provide a 24/7 call-out service to help with anything that may arise urgently.
Hi, my name is Aaron from Athenry and we're here at Huapai Quarry. I'm based here full-time and my job role is to maintain the plant and all the pumps and everything around site. Athenry Electrical's responsibility is 24/7 to Winstones, and we might get called out on a Sunday for disconnecting motors or any issues they have in the plant. With the plant breakdowns, we used to get one every couple of days, one every 3 days, and now since I've been out here doing the planned preventative maintenance schedules, we've narrowed it down to like one a month.
Hi, I'm Cameron Flavel, Supervisor of the fixed plant at Huapai Winstone Quarry. I've been working with Athenry for the last 10 years, and during that time we've managed to severely reduce our call-outs and our breakdowns through preventative maintenance. So our productivity has increased from a 70% availability rate up to about 85% availability rate, partially due to the great work that Athenry have done fixing our electrical side of things.